Welcome back guys. Today we're doing a quintessential Chinese condiment, the chili oil. I cannot do without chili oil. It truly transcends beyond Chinese cuisine for me. I use chili oil over my pizza, dumplings, fried rice, and even on my sandwiches. So I'm very excited to do this recipe for you guys today. Two reasons why we are doing chili oil today. First, this recipe is awesome. I have tried and tested several recipes and then come up with this ultimate guide to making homemade chili oil. I hope you guys give this a try. Second reason, a lot of amazing Szechuan dishes are coming up on the channel where chili oil will be used. So please stay tuned and do subscribe if you haven't yet. There are two ways of preparing chili oil. Some recipes call for assembling the chilies and aromatics on a bowl and then pouring hot oil over it. We're doing the other way. I'm going to slow cook all the aromatics on low flame and allow the oil to infuse all the aroma and all the goodness, and then pour over the chili and let it sort of slow cook, and it's going to be phenomenal. Watch till the end and you'll see what I mean. For the fresh aromatics, I have some ginger, onion, and scallions. I prefer not to use garlic, but if you guys like garlic in your chili oil, please feel free to use it. So now let's prepare the fresh ingredients. I'm peeling the ginger with a spoon. I find this easier rather than using a peeler or knife. Then I'm slicing the ginger. Next is the red onion. Since my onion is slightly bigger, I'm going to use only half. Split and peel the outer layer. Then slice the onion. Next is a small bunch of scallions. I have washed them and pat dried. Otherwise, moisture from the scallions will cause a lot of splattering and we don't want that. Cut them lengthwise. And we are done. I also have some dry aromatics here: cinnamon, star anise, bay leaves, black cardamom, and Szechuan pepper. To slow cook these aromatics, I'm using a pan. I'm adding a neutral kind of vegetable oil, something that is not very strong. As soon as the oil heats up, I'm throwing in my dry aromatics, followed by the fresh. Immediately bring down the flame to medium and let everything simmer. This will allow the oil to infuse all the goodness of cinnamon, making the oil amazingly fragrant. Star anise is going to provide this sweet licorice aroma, and black cardamom will lend this smoky flavor. And since we're making Chinese chili oil, we cannot do without Sichuan pepper. Sichuan pepper is not hot at all like black or white pepper. Rather, it has a lemony undertone and creates this beautiful tingling sensation on your tongue. Apart from Sichuan province in China, a similar variety of pepper is produced in the Indian subcontinent and the Kachin state of Myanmar. So please find out what Sichuan pepper is locally called in your language so that you can buy it from the market. After 10 to 15 minutes of slow cooking, our scallions, red onions, and ginger have turned dark golden. So it's time to take them out of the oil. I'm not throwing away these fresh aromatics. Tonight I'm making some pulao and I'm going to use this fried onion and scallions to flavor my meat and rice, and it's going to be delicious. In fact, scallion oil is very common in Chinese cuisine, but we have gone a step forward and added scallions and all other herbs to our chili oil, and this is going to be the ultimate chili oil you'll be making in your home. Our oil currently is packed with flavor, and keeping the flame on absolute low, I'm throwing in the chili flakes with a pinch of sea salt. You don't have to cook the chili flakes. Just allow the chili flakes to warm up with the aromatic oil. And I'm switching off the flame after 3 to 4 minutes. Let the chili oil cool down and transfer after it's safe to touch. This chili oil is going to get more and more flavorful over the course of time. What I usually do is make several batches and label them and keep using them over the course of 5 to 6 months. Guys, I want to say that there is no good or bad way of making chili oil, but for me this is the ultimate way of making homemade chili oil. I hope you found this recipe helpful. Don't forget to like and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.